Family members of two of the people killed in the mass shooting at Club Q last year are now planning to sue the El Paso County Sheriff's Office. Those killed in November are Daniel Aston, Ashley Paugh, Derek Rump, Raymond Green Vance, and Kelly Loving. And in addition to the family members, nearly a dozen survivors, they're also joining the lawsuit.
They say the Sheriff's Office should have petitioned for an extreme risk protection order using Colorado's red flag law. Denver 7's Colette Bordelon reports.
Colorado's red flag law, which was expanded this legislative session, allows family members, law enforcement, and others to ask a court to remove someone's weapons if they have a reasonable fear about future dangerous acts. Now, we're not going to be naming or showing the alleged Club Q shooter, but all of these notices I have here are based on an incident that happened just over a year before the November mass shooting.
I didn't realize I was being shot until I looked up and was staring down the barrel of a gun.
Ashton Gamblin.
I have extreme anxiety even with him in handcuffs.
Adriana Vance.
I'm Raymond Green Vance's mother.
And Tiffany Loving.
And I'm Kelly Loving's sister.
Are 3 of the 10 people seeking $20 million in damages from the El Paso County Sheriff's Office.
You know, it's really hard seeing how evil this man is.
There is an 11th victim requesting just under $500,000 in damages. The notices say the shooting could have been, quote, entirely avoided if the El Paso County Sheriff's Office had utilized the Colorado red flag law. In the summer of 2021, El Paso County Sheriff's deputies responded to a report of a bomb threat.
He's got their rifles out.
This is video Denver 7 obtained from a Facebook live stream of the accused shooter.
Go ahead and come on in, boys.
Dressed in tactical gear, the suspect eventually surrendered after a standoff and they were arrested. The sheriff's office says all firearms that belonged to the alleged shooter were seized and a mandatory protection order was issued against them. Part of that order means they could not possess or have any guns, which is why the sheriff's office says they didn't petition for an extreme risk protection order before those charges and the order were dismissed. But the notices say the sheriff's office was negligent by not using the red flag law and unconscionably played a role in the accused shooter's possession and use of firearms in Club Q. There is the chance that all of these notices could be settled before any actual lawsuits are filed. I reached out to those with the El Paso County Sheriff's Office who say they do not comment on pending litigation. In Denver, Colette Bordelon, Denver 7.
And Colorado's red flag law was signed in 2019. El Paso County is a Second Amendment sanctuary county, and that means they have passed resolutions that excuse law enforcement officers from complying with state gun laws that they deem unconstitutional. According to the Denver Post, elected leaders in 37 Colorado counties oppose the red flag law. Nearly 20 people who were injured at Club Q were treated at Colorado Springs hospitals, and now those hospitals, they are waiving any bills for patients. UC Health and Centura Health say survivors will not pay any out-of-pocket costs.